I am happy to bring one of the most expected talks of the year. The secret behind getting 10-digit return on investment investing in Cloudflare, HubSpot, Nvidia, Tesla, and Shopify. We will talk about coming earnings and Black Friday. Did you know that Alex is the only one who called Cloudflare's share price rally $17 to $195? I invite you to Google it. Cloudflare is going to report earnings. However, at today's event, we have an extraordinary announcement. One of the main reasons Cloudflare investors have made astonishing profits surpassing Tesla's trailing performance in the past 8 months is because Alex brought AI data and his foundation course on how to invest. Alex, can you explain to those listening to us, please?
I initiated coverage of Cloudflare with a strong buy rating near IPO. Back then, I aimed to educate people about Cloudflare since I had been a power user before the company went public. I'm sorry, but I cannot disclose the initial content. I did it for those that they paid for the foundation course. In 2021, I called Fastly Crash. I announced it, in fact, publicly, telling people to get out near $128 or so, going short the stock, and to invest in Cloudflare instead. Back then, Cloudflare was trading around $50 when Fastly started selling off, and I urged them to buy shares on a daily basis, as I did for Tesla. Later on, I introduced Cloudflare on YouTube for members when its share price was about $80. I did the same for Moderna, Blackstone Group, and many other companies, including cryptocurrencies. As a result, my portfolio is the world's best market performer. It has been always the case. Nothing is comparable.
And, now that the company is about to report, how will you continue helping them?
I'm not sure if you understand what I've just said. Between Tesla, Nvidia, Cloudflare, Shopify, and HubSpot, people who followed me got 10-digit return on investment. No one else can demonstrate similar results. I have been discussing how to invest in these companies since IPO, including the most significant events in history. So you find information about all of them on the blog before the crowd knew about them. Having said this, I've been preparing users for Cloudflare earnings since IPO. The future earnings only matter to short sellers who have been calling the SEC to investigate why very few are making billions, why suckers lost everything. That is their concern, it is not mine. I'm also happy to tell you that I called the pullback on Cloudflare, making the news worldwide when recently its share price tanked from 140 plus down to $100. I made all the calls and they are all available in the app, okay? So people got access to everything. If you go through the content, including my course, the foundation, including the best companies to invest in, you comprehend why Cloudflare share price is $200 today. Plus, you will learn the answers to 1,000 questions without the need to know anything about the markets. Investing in technology became the most popular series in my app. And while Americans are making discounts on Black Friday, I'm increasing the price of these series.
Alex, that seems to be an excellent policy. In the US, people have a voracious appetite for promotions instead of value. For example, my neighbor bought a Tesla Model 3 instead of investing in Tesla. He could have got his Tesla free, as you said a couple of years ago.
Precisely. Let them spend all they have.
Anyway, I have to ask you this. Are you going to have something special for Black Friday?
If I do something, it's not because of Black Friday.
Our listeners want to know if you are done with Cloudflare.
On the contrary, I continue updating investors ahead of the most significant events. For example, I'm the only one in the world discussing Cloudflare after earnings scenarios before the company reporting earnings. Everyone else will discuss it after knowing what the company is going to report. No one referred to Cloudflare as a monstrous investment opportunity except me. Only now that its share price reached $200, you start seeing articles from the Motley Fool and many others. But of course they got these ideas from me a long time ago.
Indeed, Warren Buffett has never invested in Cloudflare, HubSpot, NVIDIA, or Tesla, all American companies, but you and your clients did. Thank you so much.